मैं संजय सिंह इन विष्णु भवन पब्लिक स्कूल। स्वागत है आपका ई लर्निंग क्लास में। जैसा कि हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे, हम लोगों ने ज्योग्राफी का पहला चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था, जिसमें हम लोगों ने रिसोर्सेज, रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट, ओवर रिसोर्सेज, प्रॉब्लम्स एंड लैंड रिसोर्स, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल, टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड. Now we will start in this chapter, in this lecture, about the soil erosion and degradation of the soil. First, we will study about the causes of the land degradation, causes of the soil erosion. Causes of the soil erosion. Soil erosion. In soil erosion, causes of the soil erosion में पहला रीजन overcropping, over irrigation. Irrigation is the first main reason of the soil erosion. Second reason is deforestation of the soil, cutting of the most forest part of the land. And third is overgrazing. Overgrazing is also after that, digging activities and different types of the construction activities is also the reason of the soil erosion. And next part, flowing water also create the soil erosion. So these are the main reason of the soil erosion. पहला over irrigation, over cropping. Second, deforestation. Third, overgrazing. Fourth, digging activities like mining. And fifth, overgrazing. And next is now next we will study about the types of the soil erosion. Types of the soil erosion. There are two types of the soil erosion. First, gully erosion, and second, sheet erosion. First बात करेंगे हम गली इरोजन क्या होता है. गली इरोजन हमेशा फास्ट फ्लोइंग ऑफ वाटर इन स्लोपी एरियाज में अकर्ड होता है. फर्स्ट गली इरोजन ये स्लोपी एरिया में होता है एंड फास्ट फ्लोइंग ऑफ वाटर के थ्रू होता है. गलीज इरोजन के सम एग्जांपल हम देख सकते हैं. चंबल की घाटी जो हमारा मालवा का प्लेट्यूज है, जब वहां देखते हैं तो हम देखते हैं कि कुछ रास्ते बने होते हैं, चैनल बने होते हैं. तो these चैनल आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ गलीज इरोजन. इन दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द इरोजन फास्ट फ्लोइंग वाटर क्रिएट द डीप चैनल. ठीक है, such types of the erosion is known as a gullies erosion. And sheet erosion is that erosion. This is possible because of the heavy rainfall as well as the strong stormy wind. In sheet erosion, the uppermost fertile layer of the soil is flow down from one place to another place. Such types of the soil erosion is known as a sheet erosion. In this way, हम लोगों ने इस पार्ट में पढ़ा टाइप्स ऑफ द सॉइल इरोजन, रीजन ऑफ द सॉइल इरोजन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ द सॉइल इरोजन. इन टाइप्स ऑफ द सॉइल इरोजन में वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट टू टाइप्स ऑफ द सॉइल इरोजन, गलीज इरोजन एंड शीट इरोजन. नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ द सॉइल. Conservation of the soil, because soil is very important and for growing the crops, forest, and for the different types of the animals, because these types of these forests provide the shelter for the wild animals. That's why the reason for the living animals, it is very important. So there is a need of the conservation of the soil. First, we can conserve the soil erosion by afforestation. Afforestation मतलब growing of the planting of the growing of the different types of the forest and planting more and more trees. Prevention of the overgrazing of animals. We should control to the overgrazing of the animals. Practice control to the overcropping and over irrigation, especially control to the shifting method of agriculture. This is very important question, Joe. What is shifting method of agriculture? What is practice of shifting method of agriculture? क्या है? Shifting method of agriculture is known by the different name like slash method, like burn method, like shifting method, like bevar, like in different name in different areas it is known as a different name. Shifting method of agriculture is practiced in those areas where there is a rare population are present, and this is also practiced in especially in ST community in which who live in the forest. They cut the forest and farm the plant farming field, and in that farming field they perform the different types of the activity, and when this land lose their fertility, then they again cut the forest and they shift their agricultural land in the other part. In this way, shifting method of agriculture is very responsible method for the deforestation. So shifting method of agriculture is also reason of the soil erosion, so it should be controlled, and terrace farming of agriculture should be practiced in the slopy area, mountain area. ठीक है बच्चों? तो in this way, these are the some ways. Many other ways you can also found in your books the method of controlling to the soil erosion. Okay बच्चों? In this way, we have completed this chapter. Now next class, I will give you homework which should be completed by you. Okay, thank you.